friends, welcome again. This is Rajan. When I logged in today, I really didn't expect a 2 lakh rupees profit, and forget about 2 lakhs. I didn't even expect a 1 lakh profit. So, as I mentioned in the previous video, that I was holding my position on LT, and I was expecting a gap down for sure. I expected it to fall, and yes, when there was a gap down, and also it fell. It gave me a profit of 84,000 rupees profit, but unfortunately I didn't book the profit, and I had to close it with 64,000 rupees profit. And after that it fell. So the market was falling, and I was also looking for some other stocks to trade, to sum up the missing profits on the LT. And that is when I found out Pidilite. It was breaking down from a pattern, and I took up the trade, and it gave me a profit of 1.5 lakhs, and totally it's a 2 lakh profits for today. I'll just show you how I made that. Okay, so after closing the LNT trade with a profit of 60,000, I was willing to take another trade. So Pidilite was on my watch list. I had drawn this pattern, and I was noticing it in 15 minutes and 30 minutes time frame that it was getting a constant pressure from this trend line after the break. There was a gap down initially at the morning, and there was a retest in the trend line. And then if you look at the candlestick patterns, there was a constant pressure from the trend line. So I took up the trade exactly in this green candle. So in daily time frame, this is the pattern. It has been getting a good support. 1 2 3, not 3, this is 3 4 5 6, some number of time here. And if I just look back into 15 minutes time frame, this is where I entered, and I was holding up for the entire day, and this happened. This huge fall happened. Okay, so when this fall happened, it happened in like 2 minutes. It just went back again. If I had closed it here, it would have been 3 lakhs profit along with the LNT trade. But I didn't get the chance to close it. So I was just waiting for the next day. Also, I carry forwarded the trade, and this huge green candle was indeed very, scary moment for me, because but I knew it for sure, because in a longer time frame, that is in the higher time frame, the stock has fallen a major support. This is a major support, right? So it has been getting quite a lot of time, and when that is rejected, we can expect it to go down, and that is the reason why I was holding up this trade. You won't believe me, when the stock came from here to this point, it was like only 50,000 profit or 40,000 profit. If you look at it, this is my entry, right? So it went up to here, so almost near to my entry. Just in 15 minutes candle, entire day profit was almost gone, but I didn't panic and book it or close it. I was holding up, and then what happened is it fell, and then it went up again, and I was holding the entire day. And what happened is it fell the next day also. It fell when it touched here. There was a profit of 2,50,000 rupees, but I didn't book it because my trailing stop loss was around here. This was my trailing stop loss, and unfortunately it got hit. So my profit was 1,40,000 for the Pidilite, and for the LNT it's 64,000. So totally almost around 2 lakhs 4,000 or something. And again, what's happening in Pidilite is that it is neither bullish nor bearish now. We can expect a downtrend, a break from this triangle pattern. Probably we could enter here if there is a good volume, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is how I trade. I do not look for stocks desperately. I just stick with one or two, and you should be fine. You should be able to make good money if you just select the right stock and stick with it. Okay, I didn't trade the entire week because I already met my weekly goal, so I didn't mind to look at the I mean, I was watching the market, but I didn't trade at all. So